All right, let's check in with day three of the Portfolio Master Challenge here at Trade Ideas. As you can see, a pretty good prize of $1,700. This is our current leaderboard. It does change from time to time, but we are on the Portfolio Master Challenge link here if you want to know how to get there. And from here, you can basically see who's doing what, who has the best score. Now, keep in mind, some people on here are employees. They'll be disqualified as employees. Some people on here are YOLOing. They've only got one trade, the entire account, making that account blow up like a lottery ticket. We don't allow that. So there's going to be a lot of sorting through and making sure that people follow the rules, which is, at least a $200,000 volume per day. Average on the stock you trade, and you got to make at least 10 trades and show us that you can make some trades. You'll notice on here that you can scroll over and you can see how many total trades have been made. E here has got a good looking portfolio with 94,000 in profit and 30 total trades. That's the kind of thing we want to see. Down here at the bottom, I'm not doing so good. We won't talk about that, but you know what? I'm doing so much support trying to help people with our wonderful product this week. I'm not really focused, but nonetheless, these are some of the ideas down here you can look at. Change from the close. We can look at change from the open. This TNON seems to have been a popular chart today. Pretty big mover, KRRO. So the action is right here in front of us. It's just a matter of how you want to participate using your Brokerage Plus connection. Again, it's very important. Let me emphasize how important it is. You have got to have the master contest selected. All right. Portfolio Master Contest has to be selected each day. If it defaults to something else, you're going to miss out on your profit and losses. So make sure you learn that as you go. But that's a pretty good synopsis for what's happening here on day three. There's a lot of time to go. People can still join the tournament as of this Friday, today being Wednesday, but we're taking this all the way into next week. So this leaderboard will change likely a lot. But all you need to do is tune into trade-ideas.com, go to the Portfolio Master Challenge here, make sure you're in live data mode, and you can see what's happening in real time. All right, good luck.